Finding love isn't as straightforward as setting up a profile on a dating app and swiping right. You've got to take the perfect profile pic, wine and dine your potential match, and absolutely avoid anyone with a live, laugh, love tattoo. Reaching your financial goals go beyond swearing off avocado toast forever. You've got to make a budget, save up, invest, make a plan to completely pay off your loans. If there was a single right way to reach our goals, wouldn't we all have figured it out by now? Remember, do better, feel better, and live better.